Hey guys, it's Manak here, and in this devlog, we are going to make the Arcane's base skin, which should be fairly simple. I think the jump one could be trickier because there's so many drawings, but rest should be fine. So yeah, I'll draw the actual skin in Medibang paint and animate it in Krita. So here's the time lapse. Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here and welcome to my devlog. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top-down, old-school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. Alright, so I'm just color picking everything to make it on a separate object, layer canvas, and then so I can basically be consistent with colors, because if you are not consistent with colors in animation, it can look really messed up. So yeah, so I'll start by making the base, the clothes with the base color, and then I'll make a shadows layer and then just tweak it for every frame. You don't want to draw it again and again every frame, because there will be slight inconsistencies which will really stand out in animation. So you should just like use transform tool as much as possible to avoid those inconsistencies. And since this is in flat colors, it's really easy to cover up inconsistencies, but if it was like shaded or something, that would be pretty hard to cover up. Alright, so this is the first walking animation front view. So you see, I'm just like copy pasting and transforming it, like moving the layers position and adjusting stuff according to the new animation. I was just messing around with the foot design, but end up deciding that this is the one I want to go with and stuff. So yeah. Oh, by the way, this outfit you saw it in the concept art. You should, like, if you wanna see more about this outfit, how I made it or whatever, then there is one devlog I did few months ago, where I go over the concept art of Arcane. That's where you can get all the info on the outfit and stuff. So yeah, not going too much on the outfit here. So I think this is the last one of the walking. This is the fourth frame, I think, and after that I'll do back animation, I think. I'm pretty sure. So if you want to support this channel and the development of Heilmwater, the game I'm working on, please hit that subscribe button, and you can join my Discord server if you want to talk more about the lore and stuff and hang out, I guess. So yeah, this is the back animation. Now just testing the animation in Krita, see how it looks, and then now I'm doing the back animation while watching some Minecraft Let's Plays SMP server. So yeah, so you can see Minecraft running in the background. I'm watching it while drawing. I'm actually just listening to it, and now I'm doing the left animation while some YouTube videos in the background. Alright, so this is the left walk animation, and it takes a lot of time to make, since you have to literally draw each clothes. Why is it not playing? Hello. Anyways, so this is the left walk animation. See how that cloth kind of ripples back and forth. Yeah, looking kind of nice. So you can add more flow later on these animations. I think I see a problem here. Yeah, you see, that's high waisted, low waist, low waist, low waist. I'll have to high waist everything. Mendoksai. Chill this now. So much work. Anyways, I'll do that. So I'm doing the northeast animation, I think. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Is it north? It is northeast. Yeah. No, I'm just I'm just adding the leg, what is sandal thingy. And yeah, now I'll do the northwest animation. So yeah, just you can see me dragging and transforming stuff. So I'm just having everything on separate layer and just using the transform tool, so it stays consistent throughout the animation, and you shouldn't really draw much again and again. You can just transform it because that just helps with the consistency. Just I moved the hanging cloth back pink color thingy, so it will ripple since you're walking. So it's like breeze and wind. In the running animation though, it will like move like crazy. I'll do running animation next week. Next week I think every animation will be done. It's like the walking one takes a lot longer than everything else because there are like 4 frames and 8 different animations, and 4 frame in each animation, so that's like 32 frames, and everything else combined is just 32 frames because you don't have 8 directions, you just have 4 directions for most of the things like the dash and stuff. You can't dash in diagonals. I mean, you can, you just place the left or top dash animation. So yeah, just adding the things, sandals and stuff. So this is the northeast animation. Kinda looks janky. I can improve it later. For now it works. So yeah, just 2 more left. The southeast, southwest, and we'll be done with walking. Hey, southeast animation. So you know the drill by now. You just transform everything and repeat. Yeah. Also, like a lot of people ask me about the art advice and stuff, since like I'm doing art for like 7 years now, so I'm not like the best or something, just but I think I'm pretty good. So if y'all want a art series or something, like me critiquing your game art or me helping you improve your game art, or help or just tutorials on some stuff, I can do that. So yeah, tell me if you want any of that in the comment section, and I'll make that a series. So yeah, bye bye.